God say now. I hear God say now. He has stepped in. He has stepped in. I hear God say He has stepped in. I hear God say He has stepped in. I don't care how it happened before. It happened before. It happened to your parents. It happened. I don't know who orchestrated it. I don't know who empowered it. But by divine authority and as a priest, I challenge, I demand, let judgment visit such priests now. Every priest in charge of that altar, you priest in charge of that altar, you demonic priest in charge, by fire, I demand, let the judgment of God visit them one by one. Aye. Anamakato